Okay, folks. Same thing as with addition and subtraction. We're going to look at some tricks of the trade, and this is so simple I debated even making a video for it, but I do want you to put this at the top of your multiplying and dividing integers notes. If you recall from the previous video, when I do -5 times -6, it's the same thing as doing 5 -6s, which is -30, but then that flips over to the other side because I'm doing the opposite of that, because I'm doing the opposite of 5 times -6 because of this negative sign right here. The fast way to remember what sign the answer is, remember we just do 5 times 6, but the fast way to remember this is if they have the same sign, the answer is positive. You have to be careful about this because when I add, if I take the same sign, the answer is not necessarily positive. So you have to be careful to recognize whether you're adding or multiplying and dividing. So if I multiply or divide, it's the same thing. If it's either multiplication or division, you still take the same sign. You still make it positive if the signs are the same. So the answer here would be 30. Okay. Down here, I have different signs. So I'm taking 6 and breaking it into -2 groups, which would be the same. Which would be the same thing as well. You'd get the same answer as if you were taking -6 and breaking it into 2 groups. Remember, if I take -6 and break it into 2 groups, I end up with 2 groups of -3. So when I have the fast way to remember this is if I have different signs, my answer is always going to be negative. Remember, in addition and subtraction, it's if I have different signs, you take the difference. So it is a little different with your rules here. Just got to remember the 4 different things. So the answer is -3. Go ahead and try using this. This should help you speed up your work a little bit and maybe make this a little bit easier. Give you some tricks to remember to help you get these integers right.